Hello, my lovely fart faces. Today I come to you with some great news and some exciting stuff. So this is how it all went down. Ring, ring. Hello. Oh, hi, Abigail. You're looking for co-hosts for No Start November? You and Elizabeth Ensley and Maritza from Kiss My Crafts are hosting it. Yeah, I would definitely love to be a host, but like, what do you have to do? Just don't start anything in November. No new diamond paintings. Don't do any diamond paintings in November, like new ones. Just work on my whips. Okay, yeah, I can do that. I'd love to be one of the hosts. So that's how it went. That's how it went down. So hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about No Start November. So No Start hashtag No Start November is an event happening in, you guessed it, November. So from November 1st to 30th, November 30th, to join in the event, all you have to do is don't start anything new. Okay, bye. See ya. That's the end of the video. But okay, so let's say you have some whips because there's some cereal starters. I don't consider myself a cereal starter at all. No, I would say I'm not. But if you have some diamond paintings, crochet, cross stitch, knitting, whatever arts and crafts things that you've started and you haven't finished because you put them aside for bigger and better things that you never finished either, work on those in November. It's really that simple. There's going to be prizes. So I think we've decided that each host will give away a $25 Etsy gift card, which is amazing. You guys can use that gift card to buy yourself some gifts, treat yourself, or you can use it to buy people gifts for Christmas or the holiday season. Sorry, as I should say, the holiday season. If you celebrate the holiday season, I would probably just spend the money on myself, but that's just me because I'm selfish. Yeah, so really all you have to do, there's still a day or two, there's still 2 days left until November 1st. So if you want to start something, if you're like, okay, I know in November that I'll want to do this canvas after I finish my 3 other whips that I have, and I'll probably have time, lay down some drills on that canvas, put some stitches into that cross stitch, knit and purl some knitting yarn stuff, and then work on it in November. But the rules are you cannot start anything new, no new projects in November. That's basically it. Abigail made it really easy. Like, she doesn't want rules. The hosts for this event are going to be Abigail Marie from Diamonds and Floss with Abigail Marie, Elizabeth Ensley from Enablers Outpost, you know, those fat, thick pins. That's where she's from, Enablers Outpost, and Maritza from Kiss My Crafts. I'll put links to their channels all down below, so make sure you check them out. Make sure you pay attention to Whippin' Chats or whatever videos, because that's where the draw for the prizes are going to be from. And yeah, that's all I have to tell you. So basically, just don't start anything new. And if you're excited about No Start November, let me know in the comments down below. What are you going to be working on? And how old are these whips that you've been putting aside? Like, now's the time to finish them. Let's just like go into 2022 with a fresh, no work in progress type thing, but no pressure, no pressure. Anyways, guys, that's all I have. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. If you're new here, consider subscribing. All you have to do is click the button on whatever side the red button is. Click that, and there's a bell next to it. You can get notified when I upload my next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!